Hello guys, today we're beating Sauro's domain on max severity. This is how you do it on mobile. First, go to your settings and enable crouch circle. Then pick Sauro's domain. After that, after that, you are gonna pick 2 looks and 1 PO because this will make you very fast. So this is what you're gonna do with the crouch circle. You see, you see the you see the circle line around your joystick. If you go past that, you will slide if you're sprinting. So what you're gonna do while the joystick is out the circle, you're supposed to spam slide with your thumb, like this. Spam it as fast as you can, and you're gonna go very fast. Then what you're gonna do is then open the gate and then go to the severity thing. Also, you're also gonna get a benefit from spamming the crouch button, since you can, you're still gonna spam the thing. Since you're also gonna spam it, you're gonna spam slide. You're also spamming the flash in mobile. So basically, you can, when you point your flashlight at those, you get splashed. So basically, this is how you go very fast on mobile. Also in Sauro's domain, the normal severity. And then you're just gonna have to always keep going to new locations for the for orbs. But make sure to flash Raven every 6 to 7 seconds, because he's gonna get angry and will keep decapitate you. Also dodge that. Yeah, I forgot to dodge that. Let's do that again. I was doing good. I kinda already beat Sauro's domain on max in like 2 times already, so but I cannot promise you that I can beat it first try. I can beat it, but not first try. So let's retry. We're back. Let's do this. Alright, let's do this. You can do this, bro. Alright, let me lock in real quick. Oh my god, how did I get pulled down? This is so annoying. Did God pull me down because I was too fast or something? Also, by the way, if there's red lines on your crosshair, that means Raven is getting angry because you're not flashing him. So sometimes you have to stay in one location to get orb, because you have to. Oh my god, we're already in the loop. Oh my my god. My graphics is so good. All I find out is the stars. Is there with you and what can I do? I cannot do so this little girl, find my heart, enter my body. Guys, I'm going too fast. I think I'm cooked. We cannot let this failure lead us to all my days. Now you have to keep flashing, Kraven. Oh my god. Wait, where am I? I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Please get out. Please speed, I need it. Sometimes if you're going too fast in the drop, and then when it ends, you're going too fast. When you get to the end, you will get trapped inside Tradigy's mouth. So you can get out of that like I did. Was by you have to spam slide a lot of times while your joystick was out the line, so you can get out and no clip because you're so fast. Because you're gaining speed and you you get to like 4 or 3 match speed, so you can no clip out of the map or the thing that you are stuck in. So yeah, that is what you have to do when you do the glitch, and that's how to do ano beat Max Sorrow's domain. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for when I post new videos. And thank you.